In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a 3D website with Lovable.dev. By the end, you'll go from a blank dashboard to a live, interactive 3D site you can share. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. Start by opening Lovable.dev on your computer and logging in. A desktop browser works best for 3D editing, and a stable internet connection will make everything feel smoother. Once you're in the dashboard, click New Project to begin. If you're prompted to name your project, choose something that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to make multiple versions. From here, you have two options to kick off your 3D site. You can ask Lovable to create a 3D website with 3D elements using a simple prompt, or if you see a 3D website or interactive template available, choose that. If you're using the AI, be specific about the style, the mood, and any sections you want, like a hero scene, gallery, or product showcase. If you're using a template, pick one that's close to your goals because it will save you time in layout and structure. Next, click Design at the top to open the editing workspace. Click any 3D object on the canvas to select it. On the left-hand panel, you'll find controls to adjust its size, position, rotation, and material. Use size to scale objects up or down, position to move them along the X, Y, and Z axes, and rotation to fine-tune the angle so elements face the viewer just right. Under Material, you can change color, roughness, and other surface qualities to make objects feel glossy, metallic, or matte. Take your time here. Small tweaks in rotation and material can dramatically improve how the scene looks and feels. Work through each section of your website the same way. Keep spacing consistent, align objects for a clean layout, and reuse materials or colors to create a cohesive visual theme. If something feels too heavy or cluttered, reduce object counts or simplify materials for better performance. When you're ready to test your work, click Preview in the top right corner. Interact with the page as a visitor would. Spin objects, scroll through sections, and watch for any odd overlaps or clipping. If something isn't quite right, return to design and refine it. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish in the top right to make your 3D website live. You'll receive a shareable link you can send to your audience. That's it. Log in, start a project, generate or choose a 3D layout, refine it in design, preview thoroughly, and publish with confidence.